Hello everyone. Thank you so much. No chair. Look at this, guys. Look at this. These are a bunch of logs. Okay. Once again, I welcome you guys from all over the world. I'm right here in the falls. So as you can see, I have got a very good scenery right here. As you can see, the rainbow there. Look at that. It's amazing, guys. It's always beautiful. The beautiful scenery right there. When you're standing here, you can actually see the beautiful of the bodies right here. So it seems like the water is actually improving. The water is increasing day by day. So around June, we are expecting more water to increase. But at the moment, it seems the water is already increased. So we are expecting more water from different countries. As you know that this river actually goes through a lot of countries: Zambia, Angola, Botswana, Namibia. Then it goes through into Zimbabwe up to the mouth Indian Ocean. You can see the full beam, the full curtain of the falls. Wow, this is spectacular. You can see there's a wind right here. Hello everyone, hello Africa, hello Europe, hello every world. Thank you so much. So this is the main falls. Today, guys, is very mist. It's too much spray right here. You can see how the spray is looking like. Wow, it's amazing, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing grace of God. The water is increasing every day. Okay guys, you can see guys, I'm right here in the rainforest as usual. I want you to see guys how the Victoria Falls rainforest changes. So yeah, the water is increasing and the spray is increasing day by day, because as we are going into June, July, meaning to say the water is going to increase more and more. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. The devil's pool is nowhere to be found. It's nowhere to be seen. As you can see, too much spray right here. So this point where I'm standing right here, that's where the devil's pool is. So this is the turning point. 1020 meters from here up to the entrance. Wow, things has changed. Look at this. These long grasses, it was not there when I last came here. So there's a huge difference right here. Now I can see the long grass. This is a huge change actually. So I won't proceed further because now the spray is too much right here. I'm at number 13, that is the horseshoe. So you can see the angel's pool, that side. That is the angel's pool. I wanted to show you guys the huge change that is actually in here. So that is you can see now, if you can check my post that I posted on YouTube, you realize that there's a huge change right now. You can see that the water is actually covering, even though we didn't receive enough rainfall this year, but you can see that the water is actually covering the whole part of this islands. So look at that. So this is where you get exposed to the mist, to the rain. That is the spray when you are here, because then there's no trees here, so you get exposed to the mist. Then you will be drenched and very wet. You become very wet. That is where you need a raincoat, the appropriate dressing that is good to cover your particulars and your look at that. These are the fig tree. These are the indeed, this is very important to read this gradient. Why they said mind your step? Because of the gradient of the land. It's very slippery at times because it's wet on the floor. If you find this video interesting, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Asante sana. Let's meet again in my next episode. Bye.